Hi, it's Denise Plante on the go again. I have ladies' night coming up for 106.7 The Bull, so it's time to do a little shopping at High Country Western Wear. You're wondering, where is that located at? I-70 in Wadsworth, and baby, oh, do they have so many hats you'll absolutely fall in love with. I found boots, I found jeans, I found anything and everything at affordable prices. You have to come in and see for yourself. And I found the cutest cowboy around. Meet Oscar. How are you, buddy? Give me a little knuckles. You look so good in that cowboy hat. Let me show you some of the boots that I was talking about earlier. These I fell in love with. I will be wearing these at Grizzly Rose often. Check out some of the other selections that they have. Colors, varieties. Winter's right around the corner. It's fall. If you need long sleeve shirts, if you need pants, they have Miss Me jeans. Actually, I'm wearing a pair of Miss Me jeans right now, and they fit so comfortably. You will fall in love with the designs that they have here at High Country Western Wear off of I-70 and Wadsworth. Now, this is just the female side. Guys, don't you worry. I'm going to take care of you too. This is a place you can come for the entire family. You met Oscar just a few minutes ago. Well, yeah, we take care of young, we take care of old, and this is one of my favorite on-the-go places. No matter what I'm shopping for, I can find it here at High Country Western Wear. All right, guys, I promised you right here at High Country Western Wear off of I-70 and Wads, they can take care of you. Look at the selection. Look at the designs of these beautiful boots. Gorgeous. If you want to get noticed, then you need to stop in and take advantage of all of the selection that they have at unbelievable prices.